I want to ask you a question. Do the masajid in your area offer an inclusive space, a place where non-Muslims are free to come, women are free to come, children are free to come, the entire community? If the answer is no, how are you going to get a reward from such a place? Well, brothers and sisters, I can tell you about an organization that you can get the reward. It's an amazing organization called An-Naseeha Foundation, embarking upon setting up such a center in the UK town of Huddersfield. The completed center will provide a range of activities for the entire community, including structured Islamic classes and new Muslim courses and open days for non-Muslims, youth activities, women activities, and much, much more. However, they urgently need to raise funds to complete the purchase of a building, and I've taken it as my personal target to get 10,000 for them. All I need is 100 of you to give £100 each, and I'll meet my target. Please donate today, and remember the words of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ when he said, "A person who helps support the building of a masjid here, Allah will build for them likewise in paradise." This means that you will be in paradise, and inshallah you will share in the reward of potentially thousands of people praying salah, of learning their deen, of teaching their deen, of doing dawah from the entire community. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow you to donate to this today and be one of those special people. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
رسالات تحمل نورا للأجيال